When people think about AI tools, they often focus on OpenAI's ChatGPT or Anthropic's CLAUDE. These platforms dominate headlines, but if they're the only ones on your radar, you're missing a much bigger picture. Google, often quietly, has built what may be the largest collection of AI-enabled products and research projects in the world. Many of these tools are already integrated into the services you use every day, and many are free or included in a basic Google account. If you want to stay ahead in the AI space, it's worth getting familiar with them. Below, we'll walk through 12 of Google's most important AI offerings, from everyday productivity aids to cutting-edge research prototypes. 1. Google AI Studio. AI Studio is Google's central hub for experimenting with Gemini, its flagship large language model. At first glance, it resembles platforms like ChatGPT, offering a chat interface where you can ask questions, generate text, or create code. But AI Studio goes much further. It includes a streaming mode that lets you run live interactions with the AI during presentations or screen sharing, enabling a seamless flow of ideas between human and machine. It also supports direct media generation, images, audio, and video, without requiring additional tools. And for those who want to build applications but lack programming experience, AI Studio provides natural language app creation. You can simply describe what you want, and the system produces working software prototypes. This makes it not just a chatbot, but a versatile playground for both creators and developers. 2. Firebase. Firebase is Google's mobile and web application development platform, which has become increasingly infused with AI. Traditionally, Firebase offered back-end infrastructure such as databases, hosting, and analytics. Today, it also supports building and scaling AI-powered experiences right out of the box. Developers can use Firebase to rapidly prototype new ideas, incorporate natural language interfaces, or personalize user interactions with AI-driven logic. For people who want to vibe code, create apps quickly with AI assistance, Firebase serves as the backbone, providing stability, scalability, and a wide range of integrated tools. It turns what could be a time-consuming development process into a more accessible experience, even for smaller teams or solo creators. 3. GenKit. GenKit is an open-source framework from Google designed to make building AI applications easier. Supporting multiple programming languages such as Node.js, Go, and Python, GenKit provides a full suite of tools that developers can plug into their projects. Think of it as a ready-made AI toolkit. You don't need to reinvent the wheel or spend time building low-level infrastructure from scratch. By simply importing GenKit into your codebase, you can quickly add features like natural language understanding, generative text, or smart decision-making. This saves time and makes complex AI applications more approachable for teams of all sizes. It's a strong example of Google's strategy. Provide the foundations so developers can focus on innovation. 4. Veo V3. Veo, sometimes referred to as V3, is Google's most advanced generative video model. Similar to OpenAI's Sora, it allows users to create stunning video content directly from text prompts. The outputs are surprisingly realistic and versatile, covering everything from short clips to cinematic scenes. Veo can be accessed through Gemini or Google's dedicated platform called Flow, which is designed specifically for video creation. This tool has major implications for content creators, marketers, and educators who can now generate professional-grade video content without expensive production equipment. While generative video technology is still in its early stages, Veo demonstrates how quickly the field is advancing and why it's worth paying attention to Google's work here. 5. Gemini and GEMS. Gemini is Google's flagship large language model, comparable to ChatGPT or Claude. What sets Gemini apart is its deep integration with Google's ecosystem, especially within workspace tools like Docs, Sheets, and Gmail. This makes it easy to bring AI directly into workflows people already use daily. Another standout feature is GEMS, Google's equivalent of custom GPTs. GEMs allow users to design specialized assistants by giving them instructions, uploading documents, or tailoring their behavior for specific tasks. There's also a library of pre-built GEMs available to explore. Depending on your workspace plan, you can access Gemini 2.5 Flash, a free, fast model suitable for most tasks, or Gemini 2.5 Pro, a more advanced model with daily usage limits. Together, Gemini and GEMs make Google's AI not only powerful but also highly customizable. 6. Imagen. Imagen is Google's generative image model designed to create high-quality visuals from text descriptions. It's integrated into Gemini, but also exists as a standalone tool, allowing people to produce anything from concept art to realistic photographs. Imagen rivals other leading image generators, offering a balance of creativity, accuracy, and accessibility. Google has also developed Whisk, a customization layer that enables more tailored image generation. What makes Imagen particularly notable is its accessibility. Many users can try it for free as part of their existing Google accounts. For designers, marketers, and hobbyists, it represents an easy entry point into professional-grade image generation without needing to invest in third-party platforms. 7. Project Astra. Project Astra is one of Google DeepMind's experimental initiatives focused on building what could eventually become a universal AI assistant. It's not a consumer product yet, but it signals Google's vision for the future: AI that moves beyond individual tasks and becomes a fully integrated digital companion. Astra explores capabilities such as real-time multimodal understanding, contextual awareness, and proactive assistance. For AI enthusiasts, it offers a glimpse of what the next generation of assistants might look like: always available, deeply integrated, and highly capable. While Astra is still in the prototype phase, its development hints at where Google is steering its AI research. 8. Project Mariner. Another experimental initiative from DeepMind, Project Mariner is focused on human-agent interaction, starting specifically with browsers. The project explores how autonomous AI agents might one day operate directly in digital environments on behalf of users. Imagine an AI that can browse the web for you, complete tasks, or monitor information flows while you focus on other priorities. Mariner represents Google's exploration into the future of agents. AI systems that don't just answer questions but actively perform work. As agents become more practical and powerful, platforms like Mariner will be crucial in shaping how we interact with technology in everyday life. 9. AI-powered. YouTube Q&A. YouTube, one of Google's most important platforms, has also begun integrating AI in new ways. A recent feature allows users to ask AI-generated questions about certain educational videos. With the click of a button, viewers can clarify information, dive deeper into the content, or resolve confusion without leaving the video. This transforms YouTube from a passive viewing experience into an interactive learning platform. While currently limited to select videos, this feature could reshape how educational content is consumed, making it more dynamic and responsive to learners' needs. 10. AI in Google Search. Perhaps the most transformative change is happening in Google Search itself. Traditionally, searches returned a list of links, often topped by ads. Now, in some cases, users see an AI-generated summary at the top of their results. This shift changes how people interact with search and poses big questions for Google's ad-driven business model. For users, however, it means faster access to relevant answers and less time sifting through multiple sites. While it's still rolling out gradually, AI-powered search has the potential to reshape not just how people use Google, but how the entire search ecosystem functions. 11. Notebook LM. Notebook LM is one of Google's most practical AI tools for knowledge management. It allows users to upload their own documents and then interact with them through AI-powered chat. Unlike general-purpose models, Notebook LM only uses the sources you provide, which dramatically reduces the risk of hallucinations. This makes it ideal for researchers, students, or professionals working with sensitive or specialized material. Beyond Q&A, Notebook LM can generate podcasts, summaries, visual mind maps, and structured reports from your uploaded content. It's like having a research assistant dedicated exclusively to your materials, offering both reliability and creativity. 12. App Builder, Opal. Finally, Google offers Opal, sometimes referred to as Opal, a no-code app builder that leverages AI to create simple web applications. Similar in spirit to platforms like Replit, Opal enables users to vibe code projects without needing advanced programming skills. You can describe the type of app you want, whether a game, a productivity tool, or a simple service, and Opal will generate a functional version for you. This makes it easy for anyone, from entrepreneurs to hobbyists, to bring their ideas to life quickly and at little cost. Combined with other Google tools like AI Studio and Firebase, Opal fits into a larger ecosystem that makes app development more accessible than ever. Google is quietly but steadily transforming its entire ecosystem with AI. From practical tools like Notebook LM and Gemini to forward-looking research projects like Astra and Mariner, the company is embedding intelligence into the services billions of people already use. While OpenAI and Anthropic often get more attention, Google may actually have the most comprehensive AI strategy, one that combines research, productivity, media creation, and developer support. If you want to stay competitive in the AI era, it's worth taking an afternoon to explore these tools. Many are free, many are already part of the Google products you use daily, and together they paint a clear picture of where the future of AI is headed: seamlessly integrated, widely accessible, and deeply transformative. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.